All right, we're back. I got to get my streaming PC looked at. It keeps doing this to me. So that trade we were in, I got taken out while I was restarting my PCs.
Now the problem is I've got that many lines on my chart now for octo. I just can't decide which is the one.
Too many lines, so many indicators.
Yeah. It's not actually really doing anything of interest at the moment either, is it? What's that say 154? This one. Clone. 144. Close. Oh, it still says 140. 144. So why is that? Previous day close.
All right, we're back in
I think it's
LADR.
144.
Shorting it again.
Previous day close. Yeah. I have this discrepancy, in case you're wondering what I'm rambling to myself. On my trading view, I have it set to show me the previous day close. It's in the settings, and it's never what it actually was. I mean, it's not wildly different, but I just can't figure out why it's never
That's
what it
weird.
actually was. Yeah. I mean, like if I look on the daily candle for Octo, I'm seeing the close as 143. And the dotted line that it gives me for the close is at 154. And sometimes it is quite a lot different, because what drew my attention to, well, why is what is that line?
Yeah.
Because I thought it can't be previous day close, because it's not the right price, but I must be misunderstanding something about it. Hey, Taquito, good morning. We have missed you.
Good
Were you
morning.
ears burning? We were talking about you.
Oh.
Yeah.
I hope good things.
Oh, always good things. Always
Yes.
good things.
Good. What's up?
Well, no trades for me yet, and the top runner of the day, LHAI, is not available on TP.
Oh.
So I'm just looking for something else.
I had 3 nice trades, but my stop losses were perfect to get hit in the right place.
Oh. So you mean they were good trades, but your stop was too close?
Well, I had one on leader, and a bit after I entered, it went up. Let's see how much. But I wasn't in here anyway. Just put trades and went away. How much percent did it go? It was up like 10%. I was in LHAI, it was up almost 20% or a little higher than that. And Octo just hit my stop loss almost on the cent and then went to my target.
That's just infuriating.
So I'm down in 3 trades and I'm in SOWG almost at the bottom of the bounce. And if this one works, it will wipe out the losses and give me profits.
Oh, well, let's hope it
And
does.
that's how it is. Yeah.
SOWG. That's not one I've pulled up yet. One. So have you enjoyed your time off?
I opted in and traded a bit. Yeah.
Yeah, good. So you're feeling all refreshed, ready for us to bombard you with our questions.
Oh, always.
That's why you needed a break, wasn't it? I'm going to
Yeah.
take a break from all the questions.
Yep.
Uh,
What questions? You know everything.
me and Eddie were just talking about, well, the strategy in general, weren't we, Eddie? About our understanding of it.
Yep. And how I'm not fully wrapping my head around it yet.
But do you see the imbalances when they happen?
Yeah, because the candle is hollow.
And if it wasn't, you wouldn't see it.
No.
What was it? The NXTC. It's a magnificent one.
NTC.
Yes. What do you see there, Val? Tell me.
Oh gosh, I wish I'd unmuted now. Hang on. Yes, I walked into that, didn't I? Well, I like to say I see a very big imbalance.
Yeah, and what do you see? Like, when was it? An hour ago? An hour ago? Yeah, almost. Yeah.
Let's have a look. About an hour ago.
Oh, open, share the chart. Let's answer your questions with homework.
Okay, so entire screen. There you go.
Start from pre-market 4 a.m.
Okay, so yep. So I see this. I see the imbalance here for sure. But I have got the candle hollow, so like Eddie said, that helps.
Yeah, that's why it's there.
So would we be looking at? Oh no.
That's one of them.
Here.
No.
No. Okay.
That one is a no. Can you use the arrow tool thing to show the trend? To draw the trend from the first line you drew? The other arrow tool, the path tool.
Oh,
not this one.
Oh, right. Hang on. Are you screen sharing? No. Okay. You mean this one?
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Yeah.
Oh, that doesn't really count, does it? Hang on.
LIDR to flush down.
Which one?
So if I go for, you mean this?
No. No, like you did it was good.
Oh, okay. Like literally. Okay.
The actual structure, yeah.
Yeah. Oh. I've accidentally double clicked it and that stops it then. Let me try again. So. Oh.
What about that drop?
Right. So when you're looking at this, would you look at like literally everything?
Let me. So it's not a candle. It's like a movement. Let me show how I would see it. So it would be, we have moving up, swing, moving down, swing, up, swing, down, swing, up, swing, down, swing, up, down, something like this. I'm looking at almost like a line chart. If I would put a line chart, do you see my screen? You're muted.
All right, I'm done with Octo.
Sorry, I was muted. Yeah. I think the
So-
line chart can be really useful for that.
yeah, yeah.
actually.
So the MVPs are the lows, the low point of swings. Could be this, could be maybe this. We can argue. And the amazing thing about this, it's like it squeezed to the MVP and died. That's it. Just to balance this thing out.
Yeah, and that's one of the things that we were talking about before. If we had that me and Eddie, that is. So if we had drawn those MVPs on correctly, would how do you know which one is the one it's going to? And I suppose you don't know, but which one is the highest probability? I mean, I'm sure you.
Again, I told you I usually choose the top two if there
Yeah.
are like four, or I go on, let's go on 5 minutes and see. So maybe this one. Is this one aligned? Let's go on 15 minutes. We have a liquidity gap, so that gives us. This is a strong one.
So does that make the top one stronger then?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
there are liquidity gaps on 15 and 30.
Okay.
What else was there? I think even LJI.
But I suppose the other thing is,
So even this one, this is the MVP here for LJI, but it does have unfinished business, which was my target.
so would you class that as a short? Once it, no, well, if it surges past that MVP, so I'm still on NXTC here.
Mm-hmm.
So if it was to surge past that, so that is this one here, then you're thinking it's no longer short. But if it stops here, then where would you get in, or would you have actually had your order sat there? And
Now
sorry,
I had my order, and they can overshoot the levels. That happens. That they can actually go to the supply zone or something a little above. But usually the wigs area stops it. What did we have yesterday? The main one, leader.
which one did you say? Sorry.
Yeah, leader LID.
Oh yeah, I
So
missed it.
so I kinda wanted to take it long down here when I saw it because it had this at least here to come back to, or here, like one of those, like this area. It was obvious to me that it will come back to touch it and then die, but then it had unfinished business. I saw this on the 1 minute. Yesterday I was like, where is it? Like this one, did it hold down? What was it? I don't know. So I thought maybe it's coming back all the way up here. And it had
Oh,
this.
yes, it did halt. There was a halt there. I was watching it.
It's interesting that it's not really visible on the 3 minute, but on the 1 minute it is. So today I was kind of like, maybe it's going back there. That's why I was willing to take it up here. And I wanted to short it up here if it gets there. So I had an order at 464. I had this long. We take profit also at around 460, 464, doesn't matter, 465. Like my whole story is based about this thing going back to it. Both sides.
So we're pretty much saying that if it's above these levels, we're looking for it to come back and continue going up. And if it sails through the level, then you're looking for it to go back, maybe go back to it, tap it, and go short.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, this one was annoying that it stopped here. Very annoying.
Yes.
But it can still go back up all the way. And there is, what is it, SMX, which I'm kind of, I eyeing this one for a swing because it has like a lot of unfinished business up here.
Oh, really? Is this another SBET?
Now, not SBET level, but still a nice one.
SBET in terms of your belief that it has to go back there, I mean.
Oh yeah, it has a lot of unfinished business. Let's see, what did this one come back to? Nothing here. Yeah, the question is when. This dump here. There are 3 minute unfinished business, a clear one. This one, 260 is like the obvious one.
So what's to stop it going to that unfinished business there at 260 and that being it? Or will it go to 260, come back down a bit and then go back through? Or would you expect it to just go right through that 260 up to, or is that your highest level? Sorry, I didn't see it.
I have some things. I don't think this is what is. No, these are not unfinished businesses. This is what is this? Maybe a 1 minute. Yeah, this is a 270. Oh. It depends on how they squeeze, I guess. But usually they will probably, it will hit the, I don't know. There's one at 217, I think it's the closest one. Or 203.
So with regards to SBET, was that one on SBET the nearest one?
Probably, yeah. It was the only one, probably. I mean, let's see. Before it started going here, so it was basically from here, maybe.
Because I've looked at it and I can't figure out why it then carried on. Was there something above? Not that bothered.
Fundamental, mainly.
Right. Okay.
Fundamental reasons because of crypto.
So there wasn't really any unfinished business higher.
No.
Right. Oh, okay. Right. That makes sense then. Because I have looked at it to try and find it, but in the end I thought, oh, forget it. It doesn't matter. The trade's done. I was just trying to see if I could find why it had continued up, because I wanted to ask you that question. These unfinished business multiples, would you take it to the nearest one and be happy with that, or would you wait for the one further away?
Well, I want the higher ones, but like NAVF is a good example. This one also had, which one? Yeah, so this one was nice. CYCC had this one. Came back to it like 3 days later, tapped it and chilled, and eventually squeezed to the sky, but that's unrelated. NAVF, there were a bunch of them. I don't think I have them marked, do I? Oh, I do. Yeah, so in this after hours, I wanted the 223. Was some unfinished business I wanted for a while. So I got in this after hours, got out break even. And then when this day came, I got in, but there were unfinished businesses at like around 2. And as soon as it started rejecting here, I just got out. So it ended up not reaching the 220. Yeah, usually the nearest one is the safest one.
Yeah.
And many times it's far away enough to still make some nice profit.
Oh, I must have a look at that then. SMX, you said.
Yeah.
Symbol rings a bell. I wonder if I've traded it.
I think it will do it maybe even today. Start running there. Maybe even now.
Let's have a look. SMX. I've got no drawings on there. So, oh yes, I have. So, yeah, I have traded it before. So when was it? I traded it on Tuesday.
ATNF is back. ATNF. business. Have unfinished businesses, something, somewhere, nope. Oh, that's a nice, very nice squeeze. Very, very nice squeeze. Very, 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 very nice squeeze. What the hell?
What is this? Oh,
Holy shit.
wow. Yeah, look at that.
And it's
That's
going right into liquidity gaps up there. Unfinished businesses from the past. Is it done? Nope, not yet. %180%.
wow. Look at that. Can we get it on TTP? I'm sure I've traded it before.
Yeah,
Yeah.
trend 3 days before. Monthly.
Oh my! I stepped away, and it's like ATNF is be back to where it came from. Did you get a trade on it, Taquito?
No,
I thought you might have hopped in.
no HTOO, unfinished business. Is it unfinished business Friday? Are they all just squeezing to their unfinished business and dying?
Well, that'd be nice if Fridays could be unfinished business Friday.
Yeah, you just do nothing all week, just collect the unfinished businesses
Yeah,
and take them on Friday.
sounds good to me.
Let's go. Come on, you got the volume. Let's go. Come on, you can hit it. I know you can.
Have you found anything good?
No, things are just squeezing wildly.
Hmm.
You had a couple of good trades on MCVT while it was parabolic.
Oh,
Nice.
well done, Eddie.
Yeah. So I'm up 525 on the day.
Oh, very nice. Well done.
Yeah.
MCTV.
MCVT.
Oh, right. That explains.
VT.
And you didn't call it out to us, Eddie.
I was in the zone.
You were you were trading in the zone.
I was in the zone. There you go. Threw it in chat.
Oh, look at that exit.
Right?
Very nice. Yeah, well done.
It hit my take profit like right on.
Right. Wow. Well done. Excellent. So how's your account looking now? So you had a good day yesterday as well, didn't you?
Yeah, so overall I'm up $453 on the account.
Great. So you're nearly a third of the way there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Great. It's quiet in here today, isn't it? No Ray, no Parker, no Perk.
Did they make a lot of money during the week?
No, no. Parker didn't. Parker had a red day yesterday. Pare had a good day yesterday, but Perk's not been around. I don't think.
Yeah, I haven't seen him.
No, well, he's back to work now, so he tends to. He's trading later.
Ah.
Do you still only trade long, Eddie?
No. I've taken a few shorts. I'm primarily long though.
Yeah, you prefer long. Yeah.
Oh, did Parker lose on LIDR yesterday?
Was that the runner yesterday? Yes.
And
Yeah.
like all of the shorts,
Yeah.
stupid shorts. How many times do they have to see when a single stock runs, it will squeeze them out first?
Yeah.
I just don't get it.
In my defence, I did say that be careful shorting this, but I couldn't find an entry on it for a long, so I didn't trade it either way. But I wasn't looking for a short.
I shorted it after it went for a lower low, which happened to be just as I came on the computer, so it was nice.
What were you saying, if you're not in a trade, that is, about your version of a lower low? Because I remember you saying.
On LIDR, it's very easy. So you have this push, doesn't matter the small ones, but this push, this one is a lower low. I got in this push up here, I got in, where was it? I don't know, 424 or something. Yeah. So not at the very top, but that's where I got in, and I got out after this big candle at like 330. I don't know.
But I remember you saying your lower lows were not the standard lower lows, where I suppose I would think of that one that you just pointed to as being a lower low, but what is the...
Well, not the lower low not being standard. The low.
Good morning, Jeffrey. How are you?
So for me to count, so if I would do it properly, this would be the low. For me to count this point as a low, it had to break the high. If it doesn't break the high, I don't consider it a low. So until then, pretty much as long as it doesn't break the high, this remains my last low, official low. I guess I could consider this one. So let's imagine this thing wouldn't break the high, and we chop around here and do like this. Like only at this point here, this would be the only low, first lower low, based on the way I look at it.
Okay.
Because it can happen, and it does happen many times, where let's say, so we had this high, and then it broke out. So this is the most recent low. Then we have this high, but then it goes like this, like this, like this, like this, and then it flies to the sky, and everyone think it's on a downtrend. By my definition, downtrend would be only when this low here breaks. Otherwise, it's still like playing around with micro trends, not the main trend.
Right. Yeah. I think that would take me some getting used to.
And that's people that use the 1 minute. They have it all the time. This kind of games.
Yeah.
But for them, every low is a low and every high is a high, so they don't know actually what the structure is, pretty much. So yeah, when this break came along, oh, not this one, because this was one of like my official last low to break. Broke this one, I was looking for a short. And I got it.
I think I'll have to write that down. It's not a lower low until it's broken the high. Is that what you said?
No, it's not a higher low. The low I'm looking at any chart. Let's see, do we have some examples? Maybe, let's say, so for example, for the opposite side, so now that we have a downtrend,
Grab another
so
drink, chat.
this would be
I'll be
the
right back.
last high. This would be the high only after it breaks. Ooh. How is it on the flip side? Yeah, only when it breaks the low. So this becomes the high, kind of thing, for both sides. Let's see, do we have something with a nice trend? Let's see.
I see it even less clearly to the downside.
Right. So SMX, okay, SMX. This is a nice one. So we had this low.
Yeah.
We had this high.
Yeah.
Now, because this move here broke the high, this is the low, the higher low. Now this one is not anything meaningful. It didn't break this high. This is the next high, higher high. And only when it breaks this high, whatever the move that breaks this one, then
Okay, I'm back, chat.
low. So this will be my.
How are we doing today? Doing good?
Higher low.
Hopefully we're doing good.
Like, this is noise. This is meaningless structure-wise. It's like a micro trend inside the main trade. And now when this, which is my official low, oh, let's see. Let's continue. So this is higher high. And then when it breaks this one, so this becomes my my higher low. It becomes higher low only when it breaks the structure, or when it breaks the previous high. This one's here, this thing here didn't break any previous high and didn't break previous low. So it's just ranging inside between what I consider low and high. And then when this move happened, then it's a lower low because it broke the previous low. And I can look for shorts.
But it's only. Oh. Eddie, help me out here. Are you getting it?
I wasn't paying attention.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let's low, high. Let's do it simple, low, high. For example, we have something here now, just chopping around. In this case, this would be the high.
Yeah.
This would be the low because it broke the previous high. And until something breaks either this low or this higher high, there is nothing changing in the structure. I still consider it an uptrend. This one didn't break the low, didn't break the high. Didn't break the low, didn't break the high. Didn't break the low, didn't break the high. Only this one will be the next higher low.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna need to screenshot that.
It must break a low or a high for me to consider it as part of the, let's call it the primary structure.
Yeah, let me just get a screenshot of that before you delete it. Okay, got it.
Yeah, that's how I view structure. And this part is the noise people get killed in, which is many times they think it's downtrending or something, but it just comes back here to the demand or to balance things out, and then keeps going.
Yeah. Hang on, let me screenshot that as well. Got it. Thank you.
Yeah, that's the safe way.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to spend some time looking at that as well. And the lines definitely make it easier to see than candles.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably very common futures. Let's see. 5 minutes. Do we have some area here? So for example, this one, this was the low because it broke this side doesn't matter. Like it broke the previous size, so this became the low I'm interested in. But now it has all of this thing here, which doesn't break the previous low and doesn't break the high. It's just like chopping around. This is nothing too meaningful until it breaks this low.
Okay. Can you just zoom that back to where it was so I can screenshot that as well? Got it.
In this case, there happened to be a very nice demand zone here. Liquidity. But overall structure-wise, oh, and let's see. Maybe it would have worked. So basically, after it creates a lower low officially, I would look for a short somewhere around up here, which maybe would have taken me out and then drop. But that's the idea.
Yeah, yeah, that's really interesting. Yeah, thank you. Something else to try and understand. But yeah, you're right on all the chop, like you were saying, seeing all the higher, lower highs and etc. in those areas.
Yeah.
I think that's pretty common. Yeah.
Yep, that's the noise that kills people.
Yeah. Hmm. But if that zone wasn't there, well, sorry, no, because that zone is there, would you be looking to take that long?
Maybe many times I take a long to go to my short. I do that. Which was a good one. There was a good one.
But let's say there wasn't a zone there.
No, I need a reason to take long.
Then you'd still be looking for a short if there was no zone there.
Yeah, but still the short would be up there.
Yes, yeah.
Just I wouldn't have any good place to long from. It could also keep going like this, and then come to this zone here, and then come back up all the way. It's also something that happens. Yeah, this is just the signal to look for a short when it comes back up here, basically. Like a change in the structure, in the trend.
Good day.
Good day.
Good day, Parry.
Right. A bit late.
Yeah, we were thinking you weren't coming.
Yeah, we were jet skiing.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Jeffrey, I took
So no trades today yet.
a trade on MCVT. Mike Charlie Victor Tango.
No, not yet.
It's this one right here.
Is anything moving?
Took 2 trades on it. And I am now up $525.50 on the day.
When was it? Freaking crazy.
Something to mark out.
Which day was it? Yeah, it was in it somewhere in 2 cents, and now it's at 8 cents. Damn.
Wow, look at that. You're not in it anymore.
No, it was this day.
Is my stream having issues for you?
Oh.
And I actually got out break even. My target was the daily 50. Came back all the way to my entry, and then later kept on going.
Oh.
As always.
Yeah. That is very naughty.
Thanks, man. Appreciate that.
Now is it going all the way there? Nothing to stop it now.
So I'm probably done trading for the day. Just kind of watch and see what happens. Hang out, sell market open and see what happens there. But
Thank you.
and I have the discipline to stop while I'm ahead and live to trade another day.
There's absolutely nothing in this dump.
Do you stream your trading? Or do you stream as well?
Can see. Yep, nothing to stop it.
Nice. When do you stream? I'll have to give you a follow. Wow, my internet is having issues.
Looks like the trades are going to be in the sunny side today.
The dark side is very hot.
I gave you a follow. I'll have to check out one of these streams, man. Oh, okay. 9:40 p.m. Central, so that's 8:40 my time.
The best word is going on that.
What
for
is
me.
going on with my internet?
Or that SRPT is still dying.
My internet should be fine. Speed test shows that it's okay.
Took it to warm over there. Lithuania.
Yeah, but it's stormy and rainy most days, but very hot.
Oh,
Thunderstorms.
we have blue sky, so
No,
good day to be
right
jet
now it's
skiing.
still okay, but they say later it will storm.
Yeah, we will have them next week.
Yeah, take them.
Yeah, it's so warm, so I took 1 week holiday. So
Is it okay?
it's impossible to work.
Because it shows that I'm dropping frames
Better to be on vacation.
left and right.
I try to share this live traders again. It's not. I haven't started yet. Deck has a nice gap up and void.
Shows that I'm sending out 0 kilobits per second on the stream.
It's para gapping up because of South Park.
What happened with South Park?
They did a comedy of.
I'm not sure what's going on.
Trump was sleeping with Satan. You know, the same Satan that was with Saddam Hussein. And funny guys.
Yep.
My Twitch
Most
stream
of my
went down.
possible trades today is names that I have never traded before. That is not a good sign.
Which one?
Datadog on EV, VRT, and ASTS. And photo I don't trade because that's, I think it's, isn't that ADR to store? So.
No, ASTS I used to trade a lot. Why did it dump so bad?
I think it's on the short list, so I haven't looked. Live traders list.
Private offering.
Yeah,
I'm
but
so
that's only
confused
about $2 move down.
because
maybe
my
first
Twitch
time.
stream died. I'm showing I have 0 kilobits per
Most
second
usually
on
$2 a day.
my upload. But Kick looks fine.
50
YouTube
before
looks
trades,
fine.
then it's got them down.
but it still shows that I'm sending out 0 data. Thoroughly confused.
AMD has been strong, so that could be a long play today. And that has $3 room to move also, so small scalps.
Let's see, ICCM is popping up on the scanner.
NEM has a nice gap up, but moves about $1. I may skip that. I traded that LIDR yesterday.
Short.
I took it long and then short. I was so scared I took the pre-market is consolidated at $3. $3 and $2.80 over here. You see that small wick down there. The buy setup. I was thinking of it breaks $3, then it was a fake out, so I had a 30-cent loss was on that, but then it took nice bounce from 270, I think. So I added, and my average was 290, and then it went up.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, I told Eddie took a nice trade on that. He had the average on 270 over there, and he hold it up to 4. I told Eddie that this was bounce immediately at 30-cent if $3 breaks, so I took everything out there. So
That was yesterday on LIDR you're talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good trade for you too.
Yeah, it was a great trade.
Yeah. And then we took short with Park at breaking the 405 at the beginning. And then it opens and it was good to 380. Then the bell starts, so it flushed up. I took all of us out and halted. I think I have the resistance line at 460 or near that. I think this was 457, like you have to. So that short went for a small loss. Then after that, I was looking at breaking. I think it is on the chat. Yeah, on the chat you can look I think it was 359 breakdown. So there was one trade that I didn't take. Breakout over there, and I had 270 or something, 290 as target. And then I traded STYCC up and down also. Then somebody told that this is the ATM volume is big on that, so get a bit scared on that. I think I had 2370 average up, but I was waiting for 29 to fill and went only to 28. So I took out, I think it was 25. Then I changed to short. think it was a decent trade. Could have much more out of the LIDR, but I don't know too well.
What does VAH stand for? Volume average high?
480, 460 on daily.
Hour.
Yeah, there was a gap at 462 to 469.
Value area high. That's a new term for me.
Okay, live traders.
All right, so I've got it on the 4 hour, and I'm looking. Where would I see the value area high? That is a whole lesson. Okay. Fair enough. I'll add that to things I need to research. True. I am green on the day. I want to trade more, so I might just paper trade on Trading View instead of in my TTP account. Let's switch back to 3-minute. $15 to market open. All right, what do you got on your watch list today? WMT. Walmart. Microsoft, SoFi, Amazon, Walmart, Boeing, and Apple. Nice. VLCN. All right, we're going to paper trade this. Do 150 shares for now. Yeah, I added the trading section yesterday and added a couple of bots that I'm testing out. I didn't get filled and it shot up. Come back down to 16. Get me in at 16. Hey, we're in. Oh, it filled us at 1473. Nice. Yeah, I'd love to check them out. I don't have Nitro, and I'm at the 200 server limit, so I can't join any servers. But hopefully next month, when I get paid, I'll get Nitro, and then I'll be able to join new Discords again. But feel free to drop them in chat, and I'll check them out. The LCN popping up on the scanner now, and we're already in, so it should start to get some attention. They have news of initiating a strategic Bitcoin treasury program and expands share repurchase authorization to 100 million. So that should juice the stock. VLCN, Victor Lima Charlie November. It's up 17% so far. The float's only 370,000. Oh, it's dying. It's dying. Come back.
Oh, it's VLCN on.
I'll adjust my stop loss because I think it's going to take it out. I want to make a little bit of profit.
LID HCTI
Let's see if it comes back up. It's fairly low on the scanner.
Go to my earlier targets. Possibly.
Yeah.
You don't have any 84% rule.
You're probably right.
For me, there are no rules.
I should have taken profit up here.
Yeah, there's
But
a rule that
I got my stop loss set.
kind of against you.
And
when you take it,
if it hits it,
same trading.
then I'll be positive
triggers you
73.50.
again. So
We'll see how it
have
plays out.
84% probability that it works next time. Just test
A lot of these stocks that I play are known for popping and dropping. But I'm hoping that the news catalyst, and with everybody obsessed with crypto lately, it pushes stocks higher on the treasury play. So I'm hoping that it pushes itself up.
Oh man, look at Dex. Dex just became annoying. Look at Dex. Dex just became annoying. Well, Dex was my other favorite, but it just popped up pre-market here. Take a look. That is very annoying. Because Dex was going to be one of my favorites, but it just went up from 117 to 124 with the resistance. Now I don't like that.
Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Appreciate all y'all's.
Good morning.
Morning.
No horn today. You're open.
For Parker.
When I heard that, Heard him.
Oh no, it blew past. All right. Made $60 off of that. But you're right, it did die. Died it open. We'll see if it comes back. SOWG. What's MCVT doing? It's down. What about LIDR? It's still just grinding sideways. SOWG. Hell yeah, it's Friday. The only downside is I find it hard to go 2 days without trading. But I do enjoy my Fridays. You got any big plans for the weekend? Get that screen time in. HTOO. Halted up. Maybe it's not halted. Oh, it did halt and then unhalted.
was it LHAI we said wasn't available?
Yep.
Yeah, looks like it is now.
I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. Grab me some breakfast. SOWG HTOO. HIO. It's always good to touch grass. Typically, the only time I touch grass is when I'm mowing the lawn. Did you see United Healthcare yesterday? This huge red candle. I would have loved to have been in there on that short. Just a beautiful candle.
You have a beer on that though, right? Look at this.
I think I'm done. 3 trades, but they're not moving so much. So, and then I don't see anything.
Yeah, good plan, Pore, if you don't see any trading.
Yeah.
You don't want to play on the dark side?
Not find anything over there either.
Play on the dark side.
Except this LIDR and Tokitas, that looks nice for a short. So, but not soon because it's so strong.
You should short it at 460, 470.
Yeah, and it's so strong. So no point to short that at this point. So doesn't show any signs of weakness. So no. Better to stay out. But I'm in XOM, AMD, and VRT. So XOM is on break even, and VRT is close to break even, and half are loss max on the AMD. So
Nice.
a lot of free trades. That's good. And if I jump off now, so I don't try to manage this trade. That is good too.
Just let them do their thing, huh?
Yeah. If I watch them, I don't let them do their thing.
Yeah, there's that. Yeah.
I have to watch at the weekend, and that's where I have taken profit before my target. Most of them are when I take them before the target, extremely before. So what has happened before that? So if I get some clue of my behavior. Only thing I want to die today is XOM. Just realized there's a daily 200 at 110. Oh, damn. Okay, let it go.
Okay. Well, have a good day.
Yeah. Quite hungry after this jet ski thing. So
Yeah.
hard work.
Have a good day, Pommy.
Yeah. Try to come online on tomorrow, but I'm not sure. So nice weather, so nice
Yeah.
to be out.
Yeah, it'd be nice if we see you. Otherwise, we'll see you Monday.
Yeah. I'm starting the work on Monday, so I will come at 4 o'clock. So it's 9 over there. If I don't take 1 week more vacation, because the hot streak is continuing.
There we go. That's another view up, guys. I'm gonna take it here.
Hope this VLT breaks the 136.
That's just 40 cents on Tesla. Might get back in it though, because now it's getting about VWAP, so actually it's pretty good. It could go much higher. That's just 40 cents.
Yeah, I'm not really seeing much for me to get into. I'm paper trading now. I'm not doing anything in my TCP.
Nice job on ExxonMobil, everybody. Nice job.
Oh, you're protecting the green, Eddie.
I am protecting the green.
Oh, well done. Very
I
good.
saw the trade. That's a good way to stop for the day. If
Yeah.
profit is good.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah. Takes a lot for you for that to take a better day after that.
Yeah. I wanted to keep going, but I said, no, better stop him while you're ahead.
Yeah. I'm moving all my stops to break even. So 3 day. Hope some of these goes to the targets. AMD looks good. I mean, that's 163.50. So that's nearly $1.50 up. Target is just 166.8. Shooting for 3 around that. Did Parker get the money?
I don't know. Haven't seen him.
No, not that I'm aware of. personally didn't get a response, and I think Parker would probably have let me know.
Yeah.
I never heard back from customer service.
Yeah. It's not nice to have that extra stress of that.
No, definitely not. And it's Friday today, so I'm not sure we've heard anything today.
Where are we standing at the queues? All-time highs. Oh, wow. This 566 would have been a good play for the option play. That's an obvious place where we get this pullback because we're going to the all-time high area. So taking a lot of options and play that 30 or 50 cent per option. Can get a nice win from this one candle. Okay, see you.
We'll see ya. Have a good one.
Bye, Pori. Thanks for coming.
Still waiting. That's what's hard for me is waiting for like an A plus entry or an A plus setup to take my entry. I don't think I could play large cap stocks because they don't move like I enjoy.
I see you're looking at LIDR, Chiquito. So if it helps, it's above VWAP.
Oh, you're in trouble.
I know. I'm going to go.
Well, shit. I don't really see anything that's catching my eye. CREV. I haven't looked at that one yet today. Oh. Oh. Why are you getting all the attention? Receipt of a non-compliance letter. Why would that shoot you all the way up to 5 something? Guess I can close out. Trade the pool. Octo. Everything's just kind of hovering, staying like sideways. All right, chat. I'm gonna end it here. I'm gonna go lay down, take a nap, and then try and figure out what's going on with my streaming PC. Amazon and Microsoft give nothing, then it looks like grass it is. Grass it is. Maybe I'll go touch grass today too. I need to mow the lawn. Either today or tomorrow. But I will catch y'all later. Good luck on your trades, Jeffrey. Appreciate you hanging out. And I will see you guys Monday. You too, man. We'll see you.